A novice installer can quickly and easily install door edge guards and door cups. To begin, cut the door cup patterns using the LLumar Precision Cut system. Then wipe the door cup with a tack solution on a microfiber towel. Spray slip solution on the door cup flushing well. Now separate the pattern from the liner and spray with slip solution, then position the pattern. Tack solution may be used to increase adherence if needed. Squeegee the pattern in place and remove all moisture. Use a microfiber towel to seal the edges with firm pressure. Wipe the area dry. If your pattern is not lined up correctly, you can remove it, respray slip solution, and reposition. This will not damage the adhesive and can be repeated as often as necessary. New door edge guard tape is available in 2 sizes for quick, easy installation. Edge guards may also be cut using the LLumar Precision Cut system. For installation, remove any dirt or debris from the edge of the door using tack solution and a microfiber towel. Then pull door edge guard tape from the dispenser to the approximate length of the door, compensating for stretch, and cut the strip required for the installation. Next, remove the liner from a small portion of the tape. Then adhere the tape to the outside surface of the top of the door. Use your thumb and fingers to slowly press the film into place from the top to the bottom of the door, removing the liner as you go to prevent contamination. Finally, carefully and systematically wrap the material around the edge of the door and adhere to the other side from top to bottom to complete the installation. To learn more about LLumar Paint Protection Film installation, please check out the other videos in this series.